Today we're going to talk about building a more effective sales team by using analytics. And this is a big topic for a lot of our customers, and it can obviously be a pretty deep and complicated topic, but all I really want to do is give you a bit of a preview on some of the ways that we're helping customers use analytics to make their sales teams go from good to amazing. So the first thing we're going to start off with is, why do you want to do this? Well, you need sales teams to be great. You need them to be consistent. You need them to be spending time on the right things. Good salespeople work hard. They talk to a lot of people. They're your front line of your brand. And you want to make sure that they are informed and that they know who the right people are to talk to, the right opportunities to chase. And you got to give them the right data to make those kinds of decisions, to get your profits up and get your sales volume up and continue to grow your business. And that's super important. Every company wants to do that, right? And so there's really 4 steps that I want to talk to you about today. And number 1 is collect the right data. You can't do anything with analytics if you're not collecting the right data. In absence of knowing what the right data is, try to collect as many generally available data points as you can, because the second idea and the second step that we want to focus on is measuring outcomes, not activities. What you're really looking for in that data is not who's doing the most of what kind of activity. You're looking for what reps, what teams, what products, etc., what motions are creating the best outcomes for you as a business. Which things are driving the most profitable offerings? Which types of engagement are driving the best repeat sales? Which things are keeping customers retained longer? And so as you look for those different things, what you're really looking for are outcomes, and then you can back into what are those activities. And so gathering data on all the different activities, everything that's readily available is going to give you a lot of different data points to begin to analyze. Number 3, you got to find patterns. So once you've collected all the data and you've focused on the outcomes that you're trying to create, we got to find the patterns that create them. And that's where things like machine learning and leveraging advanced analytics come in, because they help us find patterns. They help us find correlations that make sense. They help us find all of those different things using different types of models. And that's where somebody like PragmaticWorks can come in and help you set that up and get it going and help you understand what it could mean for your business. Last but not least, the most important thing is, once you have this insight, share it, push it out to your sales team, set it up so that these models run in real time against your CRM and against your sales tracking and ERP systems, because that way we can track and flag behavior or situations or those patterns as they're developing, as opposed to just analyzing them after the fact. And when you can get to a point where you understand the patterns that drive your sales team and help them achieve what they really need to achieve, and you can push information about those patterns back into your sales team, you've got a data-driven and analytic-driven sales team, and they're definitely going to outperform your competitors in the rest of the market. So if you're interested in that, PragmaticWorks can actually build and manage those solutions for you, so you don't have to worry about them. We will just keep them integrated with your teams, keep them up to date, keep improving them for you. Let us know if you're interested in any of our managed analytics platforms, or if you just want to talk about how a solution like this could help you get your sales team moving a little bit faster, get those profits up, get those sales volume numbers up. We'd be excited to talk to you about it. Thanks for coming by Azure every day.